In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to HoneyBook. If you manage your projects through HoneyBook and want everything to sync seamlessly with your Google Calendar, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and streamline your scheduling workflow using Zapier, a powerful tool that connects different applications and automates tasks without any coding. To begin, you'll need to head over to Zapier.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Otherwise, take a moment to sign up and create a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you'll see an option to create Zap, usually displayed prominently on the page. Click on this option and it will guide you through creating a new automated task, which Zapier refers to as a Zap. The first component of your Zap involves setting a trigger. In the Trigger app section, search for and select HoneyBook. HoneyBook is the tool where your initial items will start. Here, you'll choose a trigger event that will send information to Google Calendar. For instance, you might opt for a trigger like new project created or new meeting scheduled. Follow the prompts to connect your HoneyBook account to Zapier, ensuring all authorizations are properly handled so that Zapier has permission to access data from your HoneyBook account. With the trigger all set, it's time to define what should happen in response. Move to the Action App section where you'll search for and select Google Calendar. Here, you will decide on an action that your Google Calendar should automatically undertake based on the HoneyBook trigger. Common choices include Create Detailed Event or Update Event, depending on what works best for your needs. You'll then connect your Google account to Zapier. Make sure to carefully follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions needed for Zapier to interact with your Google Calendar. Next, you will be prompted to map the information from the HoneyBook trigger to specific fields in your Google Calendar event. For instance, you'll map fields such as the project name, client name, date, and time. It's important to take your time with this step to ensure that everything aligns correctly. Before finalizing, Zapier offers a handy feature to verify your setup activity. Click Test Action to confirm that the entire process works smoothly together and that no steps were missed. This testing phase is crucial as it ensures your automation will operate correctly once fully operational. Finally, if everything checks out during the test, the last step is to click Publish Zap. By doing so, you're officially launching this new automated workflow, and your Google Calendar should now automatically update in response to changes or new entries in HoneyBook. And there you have it, a streamlined system that will save you time and keep your projects synchronized across platforms. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and happy scheduling.